Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself that this is Vaishnavi Singh and I am not a teacher here. I'm just a learner like you all and sharing my experiences and mistakes that I have applied, and I have seen a huge improvement in my lifestyle and English spoken as well. So let's dive in. So, first of all, I want to tell you a story of mine, what I have been through my whole life. What I used to do is that I used to think about things like, no, now I want this. I want to achieve this, and I'm gonna work for this. I'm gonna work for this. Then I will do a little work. Then instantly I jump into the result. That have I have I gained something from it? Have I uh, got something from it? Let me just check, have I gotten something? This is looking at the outcome and not working the way you want to work. And this is really pathetic thing. The process is really depressing, because you are doing just a little work and you are noticing your outcome a lot, and after doing a little work you are not getting anything. So obviously you are going to get depressed, and because of that depression you are not going to able to continue your work, and that's also another problem. So I don't think you should do that. Just keep on working. Whatever you like to do, whatever you want to do, what you want to achieve in life, just keep on working. Don't look at the outcome and result. So this thing, really, I'm still struggling for that thing. I'm still some, and then I keep on reminding myself. Not other people are going to come here and remind you that don't do that. If you want to achieve that thing, if you really are passionate about being successful in life, you will have to do that for yourself. Okay, first thing is that. And the second thing is, if you want to get so much successful in life, you want to make money, only one thing or two things you have to follow. One thing is discipline. Discipline. Discipline means, I'm not telling you that do your things for 24 hours and don't get sleep, a good sleep, don't go to eat anything, just keep on working. I am not saying that. No, that is not discipline, that is a mental problem, because when you will do something for 24 hours you will get exhausted at a point of time, and you would want to leave that thing. So I'm not saying that, but make a proper time routine, that on this time I am going to work. Okay, like in the morning 9 to 12 I'm gonna do this work, I'm gonna think about that, I will look for ideas, I will make something. If you are a creator, I'm gonna search for something, make this time. This really works because I have made this type of routine. So discipline is really, really important. And the second thing is that hard work. Hard work is discipline is both are correct. So yeah, yet second thing was belief. If you want to have that belief in you that I can do this, I can do this, how you will be able to do that, how you will be achieved, you will be able to achieve your goal if you don't have that belief in you. How will people will believe in you? So have that belief in you that I can do this, and continue the consistency. Discipline is equivalent to consistency. So every day make a time routine and do your work no matter what happens. No matter what happens, don't leave. In For example, I want to tell you that I have some problem in my eye. Still I'm doing this. For what? Consistency. I don't want to leave the consistency, because only then you can get successful, and I want to get successful. It is desiring, And this is also I like to do. So I'm doing something which I like to do. And on the other side, I am being consistent for that. Even if someday I don't want to make video, I still get up and start my camera do. So a tagline I want to tell you: water your dreams daily. Okay, water your dreams daily. Only then a plant of your dream will grow the way you want it to be grown up. So this thing really helped me in life as well. So I wanted to share it with you. And everyone wants to get successful. Even I do. And everyone has their a particular stage or desire that they want to go. They want to reach. So if you really want to do that, just keep on working. Don't think about results. And don't do it for a whole day, because I used to do that a lot. When I like to do things, back then, I was like, I like this thing and I want to get successful in this thing. So I'm going to keep on doing this for the whole day and just keep on doing that. And at a point of time, after some days, I'll be like, oh, exhausted. I'm not getting anything out of it. I'm not getting results. I used to become so impatient about the results, which is not a good thing. Oh my god, sorry for the external voice. Should I pause? Pause. Let's just continue. So don't be so impatient about your results. I think I'll have to pause because the camera lighting. Yeah. Don't be so impatient and at least give your 3 months. Or if you can do, you can also give your 6 months. And 6 months can literally, I'm saying this right now, literally change your life. So I'm gonna keep on making my videos for next 6 months. And let's see if I will be able to, let's make a goal. If I'll be able to hit 100K. If I am not going to think about the results. So if I don't get 100K subscribers, I am happy with what I am doing, because I like to talk and I'm doing in English. So, and I'm doing something which I like to do. I'm getting it. This is my success. We should embrace your freedom. Have you ever thought about the people who don't get to do what they really want to do? Who are not allowed to do what they really want to do in life, and they are struggling with that. You have that freedom of doing you like to do. That is called real success. And on the other hand, you are the most important thing, the necessity. What is necessity? Necessity is food, shelter, and clothes. These are the necessity. The other things are desires. Okay, we are not thinking about the hypothetical situation, but other things are desires only that we want to achieve in life. So that desires, I'm saying that you should not think about so much and keep on working. Yeah, keep on focusing on one thing and keep on doing that. You will surely achieve your goal. Trust me. 6 months, give your 6 months, discipline and belief, the consistency, and you are going to change your life. Trust me, I can sign it. I can give you guarantee for that, because I have seen people, and I so get inspired by people that yeah, she's doing this, she's great at this, so I should be doing what I like to do. Don't think that I should be doing what she is doing. You should feel like that I should be doing what I like to do and keep on continue. Doesn't matter if I get successful or not, but I am getting that which I really like to do. That's a big line, a big, there is so much depth in that. you are not getting right now. Maybe you might not getting right now, but this is so important for us because you have never thought about the people who are not able to do what they really want to do. Some people are not even allowed to study in many area. I haven't seen them, but on social media I've seen them. And yeah, what is this lighting? Okay, so I've seen them on social media, and I was, I am getting inspired by them also. That if they are not allowed to do this study, they are not allowed to do. Still, they are studying and they are getting good marks, good grades. They are getting a job. Why can't we? I think we can also get the dream things we desire. People are making, I have just seen a video, and people are making millions of rupees, billionaire. People are becoming billionaires, and we can't even get a job that we like to do to get stable in life. Why not we can have that? Because we are not disciplined enough for that. Trust me, we are not. If we are not getting our dream job or something like that, what we want in life. Because discipline, you can never, like, discipline never fails at any point of time. It never betrays you, discipline, yeah. So follow that discipline, and for 3 months only, you will start to see results in your life. And so do I gonna do that. Yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you got motivated. Hope you got some information from my video. If you did, you can just comment down, because that really encourages me to make more videos. And thank you so much for the people who who commented on my earlier videos and who encouraged me to keep it up, said so many things. Thank you so much for your appreciation, and I will see you in my next video.